Are you tired of clogged wet-dry vacuum filters costing you valuable time and money? Clogged filters reduce suction, meaning less dust and material that's collected at the source. And cleaning those clogged filters creates a mess. Oneida Air Systems invented the world-famous Dust Deputy Cyclone Separator 17 years ago. The Dust Deputy eliminates clogged filters and suction loss to keep your wet-dry vacuum, your shop, and your lungs clean. And now, the classic Dust Deputy that has taken the world by storm has gotten a compact makeover. Introducing the all-new USA-made Dust Deputy Low Pro Lid Separator, the newest installment into the world-famous Dust Deputy lineup. With its compact footprint and low-profile design, the Dust Deputy Low Pro provides ample dust collection in the tightest of spaces. Just like the original, the Dust Deputy Low Pro uses centrifugal force to literally spin dust and debris out of the airstream, trapping it in a container below before it reaches your wet-dry vacuum's filter. Simply clip the Dust Deputy Low Pro to any easy-to-empty 5-gallon bucket attached to your shop vacuum and your tools with compatible vacuum hose, and go. With up to 50% more airflow than competitor lid separators, the Dust Deputy Low Pro separates and contains up to 99% of fine dust and debris, keeping your shop vacuum and its filter clean. Use the Dust Deputy Low Pro to collect wood dust, drywall dust, concrete dust, silica dust, cooled ash and soot, metal shavings, pet hair, even water. Kick dust to the curb with the new Dust Deputy Low Pro Lid Separator from Oneida Air Systems, the industry leader in dust collection.